What is going on, guys? Kyle with Finance Bro here. Welcome back to another video. In today's video, we are going to be discussing Shiba Inu and a bunch of news updates that you guys are really going to want to know. We have a lot of stuff to cover, as you can see. So without further ado, let's get into it. As you can see, Shiba Inu is down just about 6.49% today. As you can see, we're on public.com. And if you guys want to actually be able to get a free stock that could be worth up to $70 and even buy some Shiba Inu with that free money that you guys get the link down in the description below. It's the first link. All you guys have to do is sign up and deposit at least $1, and you guys will get a free stock with public.com. We are on there as well, guys, and you guys can see our personal portfolio, what we're buying, what we're selling, and everything in between. So if that sounds interesting, again, the first link down in the description below is how you guys get access to that. Now, if you're wondering why Shiba Inu is down today, you guys have to look at the overall cryptocurrency market. As you can see, popular cryptocurrencies down here in the right corner, everything's red. Everything is red, unfortunately, guys. And for the most part, this was to be expected. Unfortunately, Martin Luther King Jr. Day, a big holiday today in the U.S., seems to be a day where a lot of people are taking money out of the markets to go spend it with relatives, spend it with family members. I don't know. You know, that's kind of unfortunately the weird kind of part of holidays, is even holidays that may not seem like a time where most people are spending money, it still tends to be a time where somehow markets are flushed for cash, right? We see a lot of selling pressure in most of the markets, and what we're looking at with SHIB right now is no different. And I know, guys, I know this chart doesn't look amazing. I know you're not probably stoked about it, and I get it, right? But what you have to remember is that fundamentally nothing has changed about Shiba Inu. This coin is still the most popular token held by the top 1,000 Ethereum whales. This is still one of the most popularly talked about cryptocurrencies on every social media platform imaginable. And this is still the coin that most people, whether you have a lot of experience with cryptocurrency or no experience with cryptocurrency, it's popular. It is popular. That is the bottom line. And again, even though it's popular, I still think that this coin has huge potential to do some incredible things in 2022 and beyond. And that is why I'm a long-term holder of this coin, guys. Again, we're still not even below the previous lows that we were looking at right in this area, right? We're only kind of going down here. Hopefully we can form new support and push back up towards those new highs that everybody is hoping for and expecting. Again, this Robinhood bump was cool, but it wasn't exactly what we needed, right? Because this was built off of speculation, unfortunately. And that's why we're seeing more downside here, right? Because this is not actual it's kind of FUD, really. I mean, Robinhood didn't confirm the listing at all. The only thing that happened was Zero Hedge tweeted out that tweet and the whole market lost their minds. And again, the overall market was doing a lot better. Bitcoin is kind of falling today, and that's one of the main reasons we're seeing this. So let's get into the news, though. Enough doom and gloom. We'll talk about some more positive things here, and hopefully you guys will feel a little bit better about that. Before we read this article, though, if you guys want to get access to our buy and sell alerts, I really recommend joining our Discord, especially because for a limited time only, we're doing a 50% off sale. Normally it's $20, guys. Today it will be $10. So make sure you guys get in while you can. Also, what I really want to mention too is that, again, we want to help you guys, and this is one of the best ways that we can do this and help you guys succeed in the stock and crypto markets. You get our buy and sell alerts, and it's an amazing community that you guys can be a part of. We made a lot of money in the crypto markets last year, guys, and we really want to help you guys succeed in the crypto and stock markets as well. So get joined up. Hopefully you can benefit from just us talking about cryptocurrency, and hopefully you guys will see that as well. So join up. Second link down in the description below. Make sure to hit subscribe too if you guys want to get free information as well. But let's get into these news articles. There's quite a bit to cover either way, so I want to make sure that we can cover all of this in the video. Demand for Shiba Inu is increasing around the world. Here's how exchanges are catering to it. Let's read a little bit more. Almost every top trading platform has listed Shiba Inu, and the number of exchanges adding SHIB has also increased lately. Exchanges around the world are catering to the demand of their users and getting SHIB on board. In January 2022 alone, 5 different exchanges have listed Shiba Inu on their platform, including its supportive ecosystem Bone. All this in just 2 weeks since January, and the month is still a long yet halfway to go. On January 11th, Coinbazar, global cryptocurrency exchange hailing all the way from India, listed SHIB with a Tether pair. The app allows users to buy and trade Shiba Inu with USDT, and investors have jumped on the bandwagon. That's the first kind of little request, I guess, as you can see in India. Next thing, Shiba Inu's ecosystem Bone got listed on the MEXC or MEX Global on January 11th. This is, of course, a very popular cryptocurrency exchange in Mexico. We have another one. Gaiotis was another listing that SHIB recently had. We have Bitso, huge cryptocurrency exchange in Mexico, and more and more. And again, what continues to happened, guys, is outside of the US, we continue to see a trend of Shiba Inu being listed on every major exchange imaginable. The only exchange, unfortunately, that has yet to touch this coin is, of course, Robinhood. We have not seen any major things happen yet with Robinhood. And I think that is obviously the main catalyst and the main exchange that everybody still wants to see, and we have seen nothing from it. Next thing, Ethereum, Dogecoin, and Shiba Inu chipping away at Bitcoin's crypto payment market share. The most of this article kind of summarizes it basically that Shiba Inu is actually eating into the overall usage for payment more so than Bitcoin. Bitcoin is literally created only to be a payment source, and people are using Shiba Inu, Dogecoin, and even Ethereum more often as a payment source than they are actually using Bitcoin, which is just absolutely crazy. If that doesn't show you how strong these communities are, especially Shiba Inu specifically, again, I don't know what's going to show that, guys. Like, that is absolutely awesome to see, and something that overall means that the community is still very strong, very much prevalent, and very much active in using the currency as a currency, which is really, really cool. Now, next thing, a way of removing the current accountability which is on the Shiba Inu team. Even if that sounds weird, it is in the way that it should be. Decisions need to be taken by the community, and the Doggy DAO is a starting step towards that goal. This is the path to decentralization. What they're talking about here is, of course, the Doggy DAO, which is basically a way for users, or holders, I should say, to hold a certain project and essentially have access to voting rights on a variety of different issues or different mechanisms that are planning to be added to Shiba Inu. This basically talks about the roadmap, and this was all in a CoinDesk interview that talks a little bit about the cryptocurrency, or the community rather, as a whole, and what it means in the future. Again, I think this is very exciting, guys, and I think that most holders will agree that having a say in stuff that is being developed behind the scenes by the dev team, and being able to say, hey, I like this, hey, I don't like this, that is awesome, and that's something that will hopefully benefit the price of Shiba Inu and the overall community over time. Last little piece of news before we wrap everything up. In the past hour, there have been 3 million SHIB tokens burned in one transaction. Now, keep in mind, guys, this was at like 6 a.m. So, of course, that was a little bit ago. But at the same time, when you look at this, this is absolutely awesome. We're seeing more and more SHIB being burned every day. And the SHIB Burn Twitter account is no stranger to it. They have been reporting on this consistently for a very, very long time. And again, the burns keep going up. The community is doing all these burns, by the way. This is not a partnership-based burn or a mechanism implemented by the dev team. This is all based on the community, which is just so awesome to see, guys. The community is really rallying together to show their strength in numbers. Make sure to hit the subscribe button, guys, if you haven't already, so you guys can actually join up and see literally every single day new and breaking information about Shiba Inu and a bunch of other cryptocurrencies. Make sure to join our private Discord. We have a 50% limited time only sale that I think you guys will really like to take advantage of. We do great things in that Discord, and we give a lot of value, so I think you guys will really not want to miss that. And of course, get a free stock with public.com down in the description, link below. But other than that, guys, that's all I have for you guys today. I'm Kyle with Finance Bro. Take it easy.